Hi, I'm Ashley and welcome to my kitchen. Today's the first day of September, which means fall is here and we have a whole new season of fresh produce to enjoy. In this episode, we're going to be cooking with one of my favorite fall ingredients, the carrot. I'm going to show you my 3 go-to recipes that I enjoy all season long. We will begin with roasted carrots. Start to finish in 30 minutes, these carrots require minimal prep and are easy to cook so you can focus on the rest of your meal preparation. Then we'll make crispy carrot fries, a great flavorful replacement for French fries and a healthier side for your fall meal. We'll wrap things up with classic glazed carrots, a stovetop cooking method that results in tender carrots and a slightly sweet butter glaze. Let's get started. You want to make sure that your carrot strips are even in size. So to do this, start by cutting off the top and tail of each carrot and then slicing it in half. The tail end of a carrot is usually skinnier than the top end, so you'll cut fewer but thicker strips. The top end is usually thicker, so you'll cut more and thinner strips. Try to make all strips the same thickness to ensure even cooking. Now that you have your carrot strips, drizzle 2 tablespoons of melted butter all over the top, add a little salt and pepper, and stir to combine. Pour the carrots over an ungreased sheet pan. Spread them out and try to give them little room to touch. Tightly cover your sheet pan with aluminum foil and place the carrots in a 425-degree oven for 15 minutes. We'll take them out, give them a good stir, and put them in for another 20 to 25 minutes. Okay, the roasted carrots are out of the oven, and we're going to remove the foil, give them a good stir, and put them back in the oven uncovered and bake for another 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, I totally made a mistake here. You'll put them in for another 20 to 25 minutes until they're nice and caramelized. Be very careful because a lot of hot steam will come out of this. Give it a good stir. And now back into the oven. Now we'll make our next recipe, which is crispy carrot fries. To get started, we'll peel 6 large carrots. Following the same process as the roasted carrots, cut these carrots into evenly sized matchsticks. Spread the carrots out onto an ungreased sheet pan and space them to where they're barely touching. Then we'll place the carrots in a 425-degree oven for 12 minutes. At the halfway point, we'll take them out and flip them. Now it's time to give the crispy carrot fries a good turn. So we'll just want to use a spatula and very carefully flip over the fries on the pan. They might be sticking slightly, which is why you want to be careful so you don't break them. Nobody wants a mushy carrot fry. And then we'll spread it back out so they're not really touching and they're even on the pan. And they'll go back into the oven for about another 15 minutes. Let's wrap things up with our final recipe, classic glazed carrots. Peel 1 pound of carrots. I like to use an oblique cut for glazed carrots, which ensures even-sized pieces that will cook all the way through at the same rate. To do this, trim the top and tail off each carrot and holding your knife at a diagonal, cut the carrot. Then roll it 180 degrees and make a second cut, roughly the same size. Repeat all the way down the carrot. The simmering water cooks the carrots, while the butter and sugar create a lightly sweetened glaze. As the carrots finish cooking, the water is almost completely gone and you're left with a nice sweet glaze. There you have it, 3 easy carrot recipes to enjoy this fall. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen today as we made carrots 3 different ways. These recipes can be enjoyed year-round, but they're especially good when carrots are in season during the fall. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe. We post new content every week. Until next time, cook good food in your kitchen, share it with those that you love, and we'll see you next week. If you enjoyed today's videos, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. It'll help me grow and share my cooking with all the people. I think the first take was good.